Quick overview of this KOTTO LED magnifying alligator clip stand. It arrived flat in a box, assembled very easily. The magnifier comes with cover and a microfiber cloth. There's a power switch on off. It did not come with the block itself, but it comes with a USB end. The magnifier and the lighting, you can see, is very, very good. I really like the fact that the angle of these clips is adjustable with the knob here. The plastic covers, or the covers of this, the rubber covers of these teeth are removable too. And the base is solid metal. The thing is really solid, so I'm just really impressed with it.
Here's an example of the issue. This one works nice. It's nice and solid. This one doesn't even stick. And look, one finger. It's worthless.